As y'all can see, this is a funny market we trading in, man. Got a lot of tension and things going on in the United States with the economy, but just hold on tight and ride it out, believe me. One day green, one day up, down. People trading, people panic selling, you buying and selling it quick. Just got to trade the market you in. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, urgent buys, urgent sales. Um, Nothing really urgent. Let's go get us some dividends, man, so we can make sure we all right. And gonna get some growth stocks too. Just start from the top of my list, man. Just write it on down. Like I say, I give y'all this game free. Just pick the stocks you like and keep it moving. Flowers Food. Coming on down, coming on down, coming on down. Got new management, selling off like everything else is. Just buying the dip. 17% hold, 50% buy, 33% sell. They lower the price target to $9. Right now, people, I looked in the forum, people still buying this. Say this thing gonna turn around. They still got faith in it. 848 is the low, 11.35% yield. Even if you just go and just reinvest the dividends, you should come out good. But I think they probably gonna turn some things around. When they do and squeeze, I'm gonna take my profits. Baxter, if you're upside down in this one, another one, put your buy limit orders in at 17.29. They're shooting back up. I'm gonna jump up out of this one too. 2.06% yield. Think they reduced their dividend, but it seems like it's a good start. People like it. Go and get out of that one. Got some of this today. Pay 25.28 a month. This is definitely what I'm gonna be buying in my Cash App portfolio. It's not like Robinhood with the options of buying is limited. I just want something I can get me some saved dividends. I treat this like a junk bond, sort of got an 8% yield. I treat it like J and K. The ticker J and K got that 7 to 8% yield, so I'm good with that. Definitely buy that $5 to $10 of that every day. Wendy's gonna be another swing trade for me. 686. Got down to at 692 now. We know we got a dividend coming. So I'm gonna add me 5 shares, 6.86. Give me another 25 shares there. Now they won't let me get it because I put a buy order, sell order in right here. So I'm gonna have to wait a couple days where I can cancel that. I'm gonna sell Wendy's at 732. So right now that's what let me see, what this thing doing, Wendy's. I had to get this while it's below that $7 range. 6.86. Just right now accumulated. So when it runs, I brought 100 shares on yesterday at around the $7 range. I'm at 784. XLF, definitely want to buy. Make sure y'all get this one. It's a long-term buy and hold on sale. Down to 49.41. It's at 49.34. I'm gonna get some more of this in my Roth. I got this in another portfolio. All right, this is my Roth. Buying dollars. Get 20 in my Roth. Need to lower my average cost on this one. Knock that thing on down. I can add some more money. I ain't worried about that. I put another $500 in it. All right, individual. Let's go back. So got some of that. Gonna get PCF. This came down today to like 570. It's at 574. This pay out every month. Add some of that on right there. And that's with SVOL. $15.98. It's at $16. Definitely adding on, loading up right here. Nike. Definitely one I will be making my exit. 56.02 just got down to today. 56.24. $25 worth of Nike every day. Knock down this average cost here. Especially while it's below that $60 mark. Now WMY. This was having a green day today. The sun came back down. This pay out every week. That's why I'm headed with my portfolios. I'm dealing with cash flow. Cash flow is king, so that's where I'm headed. Check out QQQY. Just everything turning down. It was at 22.10 last time I checked. Yep, came below the $22 mark. Get some of that weekly income. Got ACHR. Got this on the dollar-day recurring, but I still go match it while it's at these zones here. I got enough shares for me to sell. Gonna keep my fractional shares for the long run. Got 60 shares for me to dump when they get around 750 and above. Gonna get my money back, rinse and repeat. Just pay 18 cents a share a month. Y'all some of this to lower your average cost before this go back to the $12 mark. I know it's hard, man, but while these stocks at a discount, you got to buy. When everything get good, you're going to run out of stuff to buy. You're just going to be sitting up, chilling, collecting dividends. I just be dollar cost averaging the RPT. Waiting on this one to squeeze and do its thing, but I collect that dividend. It does have a 10% dividend yield. 1908 is the high. Waiting on that to squeeze so I can take me some profits, and didn't mean to hit stock lending. Earn at 462, 493, another 461 today. This gonna be a swing trade. Okay, I'm gonna get $3 right here, and I'm gonna go in at 461. Just pay 8 cents a share every month. Definitely nice one to have for some cash flow. This gonna go past the $5 mark. Just waiting on this economy to get better, man. Everything go back green. Everything gonna shoot back up. I'm gonna take profits. All these shares I'm buying cheap, I'm gonna get it right back, put back in my portfolio. Rising at 421. I'm getting 5 shares of this. This just reduces dividend. So a lot of people gonna come back in buying. A lot of people panic sell. A lot of people got to lower their average cost still. This got a 1 year estimate of 550. PFLT 10.22 cents a share every month. Another one for cash flow. RC gonna hit another swing trade. I just sold some of this at 213. Averaging, well, lowering my average cost. Gonna do it again. 184. But you gotta buy shares to have to sell them. That's why I'm hitting them at 25 shares at a time. Bull came down. I brought some of this today. I Like I say, for you to flip it, man, you got to buy some shares. 546, 543, 539 today. All these shares I'm buying, I am selling. I'm gonna keep the rest for the dividend, not for the dividend, but not for the dividend, but for the long run. Go get me a piece of fractional share too. I keep my fractional shares. I just sell the full shares. Like I say, man, a lot of these are good stocks, good companies, but people, the way they trade now, man, they just buying, people just hustling, man. People making a living, day trade and swing trading. So you need to find some of your selected stocks you like and start to do the same. You got to trade the market you're in. Yeah, DEA, now that it's 52-week low, but low enough for me to buy, keep building. So when it does squeeze, has a dividend yield of 9.04%, 52-week high is 27.48. When it hit that high, I'm making my exit and I'm out. So that's my plan with DEA. But I will collect that dividend for now. COF, Capital One, 182.98 at 181.57. Thought about starting me a position right here for the long term, dumping me 1,000 in it and just keep it for the long run. It's got a 52-week high of 260. So that's what I thought about doing. I'm gonna think about it. I don't like having two. Capital One a long-term hold for me anyway. That's something I just thought about doing this one so I can keep the one in my Cash App portfolio for the long term and just sell this one quick, make some money off it because they're going to go back up. Got clip right here. Get some of that monthly income, definitely want to have. Think about that Capital One. I thought about doing one with Amazon too in this portfolio. But I wouldn't buy it right now. It's too high. I got to get at least around 198. But Amazon definitely will get you some of that. NFLX, Netflix will get you some of this too. That's why I like the yield maxes, because you can own it. Trades according to the stock like AMZY, and you get the dividend. General Mills, another one to get, 5.75%, 52-week low 40.55 with a high of 64, which you're never probably gonna see. But this one I'm gonna make an exit out of too. But some people like General Mills for the consistency of the dividend. Also, I like the credit card, the financials. Go get you some MasterCard, 505 with a 52 high, 601.77. Got Visa, 311.05 or 308 right now. 52 high, 375.51. And AXP, 302.29. Well, 52 high, 387.49. Let's go check out traps, man, and get through this trade for the day. Everybody can go their own way. Bank stocks coming down. They say we could be headed to a recession too. Looking at these oil stocks, how things are going. Watched a video on it. They was comparing the oil prices, compared it to 08 and all the other recessions, like how the movement was. Say the movement we got now is similar. So I tell y'all, make sure y'all get some dividend plays when stuff like that do happen, man. You got some money coming in because it's going to get ugly. It's LRC, another monthly payer. Nice one to have here. Got a 10% yield. Some more Starwood. Nice safe dividend here. So you notice Telus been coming down. I want them below the $13 mark. Let that ride. I'm usually getting that around about $12.96, around the 52-week low. Redwood Trust. Nice one here. 11.8% yield. Build my position out some more. This ain't nothing but a hold and a buy. I think Westlake Chemicals, I'm going to take my money out of this one too when this go up. Already got a sell limit there already. Yeah, we're going to operate a little leaner, man. MFA at 1008. Gonna leave that alone. It's a nice quarterly pair. I should have made my X with IVR when it was in the $9 range. Even though this pay out every week now, I could have took my money and ran because I could put it in other places. To be honest, USOI should be rising with USOY. I got a sell limit order on this one at $62. I'm going to take my money and run on this one. I got another position, but I'm going to exit this one here. Even though I got some good dividends coming out, I'm going to put it in YMAX or YMAG. Got GSBD, Goldman Sachs. It's another one I like at these prices. Two Harbors is trading with the market. Don't know whether want to go up or go down. Pick up a little piece of that. Nice quarterly paying yield there. IAT is the bank stock. $53. What's the high? 63.04. So I just add on a little something here and there. Bank stocks can come back down though. And FLY discount right there. Pay out every week. For Netflix run up to that $100 mark. This is probably gonna be about $14 then. Make sure I ain't got this on recurring. I do got this on a $1 recurring, so it's buying it for me. FSK down another 10%. Yeah, you was at 1040 on yesterday. Now you at 1016. So we're just gonna leave you alone and keep you for the dividend. That's fine. You done showed your worth. You ain't worth nothing. 1778 Gladstone, definitely a buy. Pay out every month. Consistent dividend, 10.7%. Got to get my spit. Like I said, everything I'm gonna be dealing with gonna be with YMAG and the S&P 500. Just lowering my average cost here. I got some buy limit orders, 16. Need that to come down, baby. And I got one at 16.49. Need to replace that. Give me 25 at that price. Do it for 15. Got IWMY, got Wendy's. YMAX brought that last week at what, 8.28. Stole some nice shares at that price. Got Clip and Earn SVOL. Do XP. I think I'm up in this one. Nope, close enough. $2 on that one. XRN, what's that? That's a spinoff, something Sharon Real Estate. I don't know what this is. 9.16% yield. Healthcare facilities. %. I got it at 34. Guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to sell it. I'm gonna put in YMAX. I'm gonna go do some homework on it first. XRN. I want this below the $18 mark. HPP. Set this up for a squeeze too. All these fractional shares, I'm gonna sell it when it go up. Y'all stay out of that one. PCF, all that other stuff. RPT, ARCA, we got that. NSA, the storage stock, I'm still up. Check these new ones I added on. And that's about it, y'all. Enjoy your day and definitely stay safe. Go get your money.